Hello everyone, this is Mark. Are you wondering how you can simplify documentation of the context of the organization? If yes, do not skip this video. Today I would like to share with you a neat model for documenting this cornerstone element of any management system. You can apply this model to any NXSL management system, quality, environmental, safety, or any other. By the end of this video, you will be ready to create your lean context metrics to enhance your company's management system. Keep on watching. At the end of the video, I will show you a link to a copy of these metrics. Let's start with the fact that NXSL does not require documentation of the context and interested parties. Despite this, many companies do document these two crucial elements of any management system. When documenting the context and interested parties, we should address the 9 requirements of the standard: external and internal issues, monitoring of the issues, interested parties, their needs and expectations, monitoring and review of the information related to the parties. We need to identify risks and opportunities related to the issues and interested parties. We need to plan actions to address those risks and opportunities, integrate the actions into the management system, and finally, we need to evaluate the effectiveness of these actions. Now the challenge comes. Very often I see companies documenting these requirements in standalone lists or procedures. When a business uses separate documents, it ends up with 3, 4, 5, maybe even more lists or procedures. The problem here is not only with the number of documents, but more importantly, with linkages between them. When one modifies a document in this set, updates to others may be missed. This example shows exactly that. Let's say we revise the item 2 in the needs and expectations document. Now somebody has to remember to update other documents. As you know, relying just on memory does not work all the time. So our SWOT, risks, and other documents may miss the update. Solution is in a single context matrix. Let's create a spreadsheet where the first 8 columns include interested parties and issues, needs and expectations of the parties, the category of a requirement, internal or external, and the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats or SWOT analysis. We will format our spreadsheet in such a way that it will repeat these 8 columns on each printed page. Next, we will start attaching other sections to these 8 columns. For example, this page 1 of the matrix shows failure mode and effect analysis to quantify the risks associated with the threats identified in the SWOT table. To address the remaining requirements, we will continue this spreadsheet. The next element is 612, plan actions to address risks and opportunities. This page 2 lists how we plan those actions or links to the corresponding documents. Following this model, we can address all the requirements in one document. There are 2 benefits of using these metrics. One, it is one collective document. Number 2, when a company changes an element of the context or interested parties, the matrix updates all the sections. Looks like by now we met our objective. You know how to make a lean context matrix without creating numerous documents. In the beginning, I also offered you a download. Click on the link below, go to the Academy page on our website, and download a copy of your lean context matrix. While you're on the website, feel free to browse around. There is a lot of lean stuff there. Give us a call if you need help or have questions. Drop us a line with your suggestions or ideas on lean management system topics. Share this video with your colleagues and management. Help your business benefit from lean approaches to ISO management systems. Click on the subscribe button. We are coming with more videos on lean management system topics. Give us a like if you learned something new today. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I look forward to seeing you again.